Hi, I'm Tara Wellington, and we're going to talk wellness goals for the new year. I'm here on behalf of several companies that I'll talk about today, and for a lot of us, maybe we have not been able to achieve the goals from last year and we want to make a great start. One of the problems usually is because of goal size, and for healthy living, that means that you're going to be making goals for eating right and getting exercise, also taking better care of your family and the planet. The list grows very large. So what you want to do is look at the calendar for December and then walk backwards from there. Break it up into little chunks that are manageable for every month and every week. So let's talk about eating right. You know, the goal should be a sensible one. So you're talking about picking little things each month or each week that you can permanently change with ease. So for example, switching to low sugar, high fiber cereals, or eating fruits and veggies for every meal, or snacking on organic real food. So an example for that would be Taste of Nature snack bars. These are 100% organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, under 200 calories. You can actually see and taste the real fruits, nuts, and seeds in every bar, and I like it because it's natural, and also because, you know, real wholesome ingredients, they taste good as well. Now, one of the big food trends for 2014 is home cooking. People want to make things from scratch. This not only is because they want to save money, but also because they want that homemade taste. But now you want to keep the sugar and the calorie count down. So one of the ways that you can do this is with a new 0-calorie sweetener, and it's called Monk Fruit in the Raw, and it's brought to you by the people who make sugar in the raw, and it's from vine-ripened monk fruit that's native to Southeast Asia. It sweetens your beverages and your baked goods and packets in a baker's bag. It measures cup for cup like sugar, but if you're baking, what you want to do is half of the sugar and half of the sweetener, and then you'll get that browning effect. And if you'd like more information and additional tips, you can go to my website at tarawellington.com.